Hello everyone, it's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today I have two super cute Valentine's decor DIYs to share with you. I am also part of a collaboration today, which I will definitely go into detail a little bit later in the video. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give it a big thumbs up if you guys like what you see. Let's jump right into the first DIY. So this sign is new to the Dollar Tree this year, so I picked up one. They had a pink heart, which I have here, and they also had a red heart as well. Now this heart easily comes off. It just has a little peg to the base of the decor piece. So I just removed the heart and I took some of this scrapbook paper from the Dollar Rama. Now you guys know I just did a Valentine's video using this paper. I will leave that link in the description box. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of seeing where I want to put the paper on the heart. Now, I really loved the flower of this paper, so I really wanted to center that in the heart. So what I'm doing is I'm just using my fingers just to fold the paper over a little bit. This way I'm kind of embossing it or indenting it a little bit, so that way I can actually see the outline of the heart, which you just saw. So now I'm just going to use some Mod Podge and just actually glue it right back onto the paper. Now that, yes, spilled on my hands, so I wanted to do this pretty quick so that way I could wipe off the glue before it started to dry on my hands. So usually I let the Mod Podge sit for about 15 minutes to dry before I cut off the excess. So I didn't show you, but I did cut off the excess paper here. There is still a ledge, so I'm just taking one of these sanding blocks from the Dollar Tree and just sanding off the excess paper. And that's another reason why I like folding the paper over the heart. That way there's less risk of the paper tearing or pulling backwards. Now this decor piece, it is like an MDF or particle board, so it's not real wood. I love the My Love sign. I just don't like the wood look on the edges, so I just painted the whole ledge white and I just popped the heart back on in place. So I grabbed these burlap bows from the Dollar Tree this past year. They are the Recollection brand, so they are originally from Michael's, but I think they were just at Dollar Tree for a quick sale. They are more of a beige color, but I wanted to just go over one of them with the white acrylic paint just to lighten it up a bit. And then of course I just added the bow to the top of the heart. Now you could use hot glue, but I felt the sticker was sticky enough, so I just left it like that. And then of course I added just a tiny little heart in the center of the bow. You guys know I use these hearts just in my last DIY video on Friday. What do you guys think? I think it's so beautiful. It looks so vintage now. I had so much fun transforming this DIY. So today I am collaborating with 27 other crafters. This is a huge collaboration. I'm super excited to be a part of this group. It is called the Love Corners Collab. Main host is CeeJ, who organized this whole thing for us, and check out this cute video that she made for us.
Hola, mi nombre es Miguel y tengo una rosa para cada una de mis damas hoy en nuestra colaboración en el Rincón del Amor.
That was so fun. DIY number 2, I took one of these paddles from the Dollar Tree. Again, they also have, these were the wider ones. They do have the skinnier, the narrower ones as well. So I just went over both sides with a good coat of white acrylic paint. I actually did 2 coats. I do apologize. And I'm just taking some of this Elephant Waverly chalk paint and just going to dry brush it just ever so slightly. Again, you guys can customize this too. You can use whatever color you want for dry brushing. I know like I could have done pink if I wanted to, but I just wanted to make it look a little bit more weathered and rustic looking. Now, I got this cute wooden cutout from Joann's Fabric. Now, this is obviously a couple years ago, pre-COVID, because we could not cross the borders since then. Now, you know, there are so many cute wooden cutouts out there, so you guys can customize this, of course. I finally get to use this, which I'm super excited about. So I'm gonna go in with the pink theme here, just taking some white and pink acrylic paint, mixing the two together to get more of a pastel pink. I'm going to, again, customize this to my liking. I'm just going to paint the car pink, and then I'm going to make the hearts on top different shades of pink as well. So you just see me as I do it. So I've had this wooden box of letters from the Dollarama for a couple years now. They had some shapes in there as well, not just the letters. They had like the hearts and they had an end signs, super cute wooden pieces. So I'm just going to take 2 of the wooden hearts here and I'm going to paint them pink as well. I'm going to paint each heart a different shade of pink so they're not the exact same. And I'm just going to hot glue them in place. I'm just kind of like staggering them just a little bit, kind of like the balloons floating in the sky. And then to finish it off, I'm just taking this sparkly jute twine from Michael's and I'm going to add it through the hole at the top to add it as a hanger. Now you can hang this on a wall. My intention is mainly to put it on my tier tray or lean it against a wall. But again, customizable to you, but I just thought it was still cute to add it anyway. And here it is all done. What do you guys think? I just love, love, love doing Valentine's DIYs. Who doesn't? I had so much fun in this collaboration with these so many talented crafters. I would love it if you guys could go check out the playlist. Now, for those of you guys who are new to my channel, I also have an Instagram account too where I do post DIYs and I also post things that I find at the Dollar Tree as well. Again, go to Shannon's Crafty DIYs on Instagram as well. Please go over and say hi. So that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and we'll see you guys at the next video on Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Bye.